Hello, this is my review on Thomas and the Magic Railroad movie. I hate this movie. I fucking hate this movie so fucking much. And I think this is the worst crime Alec Baldwin has ever done to society next to 30 Rock. Of a show. I didn't find that funny of a show. So I thought it kind of sucked, so I stopped watching it. But it was better than this crap. And that was the first season of 30 Rock I'm referring to. I didn't watch the whole... I stopped watching. Maybe I could be wrong. I'll just give it another go and do a review on it. If I see a whole... Once I finish... If I want to review season 1, I have to review the whole season. That means I have to watch more than a single episode of season 1. Yeah, I'm that far behind. Well, the first episode he appeared in 30 Rock. I'm not really sure what episode that was. Was that the first episode or was that a later episode? Not sure. I give Thomas and the Magic Railroad a 0 out of 10. Yeah. I hate this movie. Absolutely hated it. I'm really just hating on just for that little... I really just hating on just because I hated it in 2000 when it came out. I've been hating on this and sussing over this since it first came out, after I first saw it in that year. I don't know how old I would have been then. I can't remember it now, but... Whenever the year this came out, I would have been 2 or 3 by then. And I was a big Thomas the Tank Engine fan, and I was expecting to see Thomas in the movie, or play an important role, you say. But no, I just got fucking Alec Baldwin and fucking Mara Wilson as the main protagonist, and some fucking old dude who's the big actor name I cannot remember, who's all depressed and shit for 90% of this movie. And that's what I focus on, is those characters. And I hate all of them. I hate all of them because I want them to die of Parkinson's disease. Or Alzheimer's, or dementia, or anything bad, slowing and deadly. So, I really do not like this movie, basically. And I really don't like that Thomas is even placing a more than a cameo role in the movie. In this movie that says Thomas and the Magic Railroad. This movie can go fuck itself, and the crew that made this movie can go fuck themselves to hell. For all I care, and rot in hell. If it exists. I hope it does. For them. For making this horseshit of a movie. I feel good talking about that movie now. That's why Thomas and the Magic Railroad gets a 0 out of 10. Goodbye. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and click on the bell to get notified for my subscribers that subscribe to my channel. And new ones. And that's all I gotta say. Good morning and goodbye.